Hi guys, it's Shami. So I thought today we would do an art journal page in my junk journal that I made. My patrons saw this video where I made this quick little junk journal. So it's with a whole bunch of different kinds of papers, but this art journal page is going to be inspired by a scripture that I picked from the Bible. I was kind of like depressed this morning, like I was just not in a good place, and I was really like complaining about my life and like, God, what are you doing? I don't know, like, what I'm doing, all these kind of questions, that all of us I think have from time to time. And when I get in that place, I know that right away I need to go and read the Bible and pray. So I did that, thank goodness. And I kind of got an answer. So the place in the Bible where my finger landed, because it's by chance, it's a reading by chance, was Isaiah 48, and it's verse 6 and 7. And I will put it on the screen so you can read it yourself. But basically, it was exactly what I needed to hear because God always provides, right? And it just told me, that God has new things that are coming my way, that He has not revealed, and just that I need to have hope and faith. So I'm happy to hear that. So I'm going to work on this page here. I'm going to incorporate that a couple of these verses in this page that really spoke to me. And then today, if those feelings come back, because they are just feelings, I can look at this page and it will give me encouragement. And I've done this before and it's really effective and it really helps me. So yeah, I love doing that because it's so easy for me to stay in like a negative place, and to believe the lies, that the devil tells me, lies that I tell myself. So it's really a great exercise, and I would encourage you to do it. So I'm just going to let you watch the process, just because it's kind of hard to talk through, and definitely some emotions will come out. And I just want to really focus on creating the page. I will tell you the paints that I'm going to use. I'm going to use my Deco Arts Americanas in Brilliant Purple and Deco Arts Americana in Zinc, and Deco Arts Americana Multi-Surface Satin Finish in School Bus. I love that one. I like the name. It does look like a school bus. And then I don't think I'm going to use that one. I think I'm going to use this one. So Deco Arts Ultra Sheen, which is a beautiful metallic paint, in amethyst. So I'll probably use some gesso, maybe some stencils, probably some of my Deco Art stencils, but you'll kind of see the process. But I just kind of need to get this out. So that's what I'm going to do. I hope you watch.
Come on. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. When I saw your face, I could feel my heart finishing a race so this love could start. Now you're in my arms, I'm not letting you go. See, no one in my life could ever try to make me better like the way you do. Can't you see I'm standing? Can't you see I'm coming? Only going higher, baby, with you. Lately I pray and say you're the reason I know I can fly. You're the greatest. You are the greatest. You are the greatest. Love, yeah. So I gotta tell you, you are the greatest. You are the greatest. Love, and I can see I'm there, right there in your heart. So I'm down, down, down. Girl, I'll be staying down, 'cause you are the greatest. You are the greatest love. You're the only one in the world for me. I don't care about what my family think, 'cause we all want love and we want it right now. No one came when I was calling, my heart was falling, I was going down, but you came and saved me. Better love you gave me, now I am running. You taught me how, and to the world, oh, say you're the reason I
so you can read it. So it's really cool. I wanted to put verse 7, which I will read to you. And it says, "Only now am I making them happen. Nothing like this took place in the past. If it had, you would have claimed that you knew about it." So I was going to write that, but of course I ran out of room because I totally got into the process. But that's okay. I will maybe make another page inspired by that specific verse in the Bible, but it's a really fun page. I also use colors that make me happy, like purples and metallics and yellows, because I think that that helps when you create with things that you love. This is kind of a very intuitive, kind of messy page. But I like pages like this too. I like pages, that are neat and orderly, but also two pages that are kind of crazy and colorful too. I did use the masking tape just so that way I didn't have to bother with, rustling with that background because it was so crazy, and it kind of brings things together. It gives your eye kind of a place to focus on instead of paying attention to all the craziness. So I really love how this turned out. And I can't wait to look at it all day today and just remind myself that God has a plan for me, that there are new things to come that have not even been revealed. So I just really needed to hear that. So I hope that this inspires you, that you know that God has a plan for your life, and just that He loves you very, very much. And I think it's a good reminder for me too. So I totally needed that. Okay, guys, I hope that you have a fabulous day, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please share this video with your friends, and let me know if you enjoyed this video. I will be sharing more of these, this kind of process of kind of art journaling with scriptures. I think that it's a wonderful way to kind of incorporate praying into your life and, scriptures. And kind of illustrating them and adding bold colors and movements to your page, just with scriptures that you can look at, and maybe meditate on in the past. So I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Hi guys, just one more thing. I wanted to show you, this is how the page came out that I did of the other verse. Sorry, I have some masking tape here, but it was really fun. This one I did a little bit grungy. I used the Stabilo All pen and, my water brush activated to make that really dark line that you see, but I really love how it turned out. I just felt inspired to do the other page. I did it off camera, but it turned out really nice, and it's kind of in the same vein. I did add a few splatters of this little guy, so you could take this wherever you want. It might be great to outline these with black. Yeah, but there's so much that you can do with masking tape and with this kind of process. So I hope that you're inspired, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.